mackerel, I just got here. This is the earliest I've ever been train spotting in this area. Oh man, got a lot of cars there. Be going to Toronto. Good sign. Man, I literally just got here.
Oh yeah, I just missed a freight. Let's see if we're gonna get another one now, I think. Luckily for me, it's just raining lightly now. Oh, it's a Via. Oh man, I am soaked. We just had a really good downpour.
That's the first look at that, almost pacing that Via. Sweet. Nice. This is the first time I ever come out here at this time of day. It's like, I don't know, almost 6 o'clock, I guess. Neat. Oh, barely got him. Barely got that Via. Oh man, oh man. Here in Longueuil, there's the Gare de Triage. CN yard there. There are actually currently at least 6 engines here now. Right here in Laurier Station. Oh yeah. Man, he's friggin' rolling. Woo!
Smoky left. That's the F40.
Smoky. Smoking. Where is the train? Where is it? After the train after the rain. Ah, he's coming the perfect way. Via. A little too loud for me, actually. So I was right there, you know.